Hi, I just want to say Happy New Year. Hope this new year brings you success and that you achieve all your goals. Yes, I'm aware that we are in March. I haven't posted a video in a good while. This video that you're about to see, I actually did in November. So, I hope you guys enjoy this one. Bye. Hi guys, and welcome back to another one of my videos. So in today's video, as you can see, we are in the kitchen, and today I will show you on how to make mini pizzas. This is another video from this is a part of my school project, and I posted it for you all to enjoy as well. So with that being said, let's go. All of these ingredients and more will be in the description down below, so go check it out. First things first, we will sift the flour. Next we will add salt and sugar along with some yeast. Wait, you're so high, right? Hold on, let me just... Oh, I'm sorry, that little bit carried away. Let's not take this video. But I know I look good. I mean, if y'all don't find out how to look good, I know y'all lying. Now I'll be adding oil to the mixture that we have before. And now I'll be adding some warm water. Really pay attention to that part. Adding too cold water, the yeast would not activate. As well as adding too hot water, you're just killing the yeast, you're killing the rising process. We will now mix all this together, and your mixture should look like this now. Of course, the professional has to get into everything, so I had to bring her in to show you all exactly how to do this part. Since this was my first time, and I'm sure this might be your first time doing this as well. So look carefully at what she's doing. And now you know this will taste really good because she put her hands into this. So now we will oil up our pan. This is the pan which will go into the oven. And now we will get a flat surface to roll out the dough and flatten it. You can flatten it with your hands or use a rolling pin. Use a cookie cutter or something circular to cut out the shapes of your pizza. You could be very creative. You don't have to do a circle. You could do a star, a heart, and it doesn't matter, whichever one you want to do. This is where you would bring your siblings in. My brother wanted to help grate the cheese, so he came in and helped me grate the cheese, and he did a good job as well. Now we'll be making the sauce. This is how I made my sauce. You could do any sauce you like. So I used ketchup and oregano to create my sauce. Now it's dressing time. So dress your pizza with all of any topping of your choice. Do keep in mind not to use any fresh fruits or vegetables like tomatoes, because when it's time to freeze you'll understand why. You'll see that later on in the video. Now we go into the oven and now we wait. This is for anyone interested in learning how to freeze your pizzas, or just wants to know how to freeze their pizza so they could eat this enjoyable pizza any other day during the week. So stay tuned. So we wrap the pizza in foil or even Ziploc bags. Make sure they are nice and sealed with no air pockets. Then place them in your freezer overnight or until you are ready for them. When you're ready, you take it out of the freezer and place it into your oven or microwave. Heat it up and it's ready to be served. As I said before, stay away from any fresh fruits or vegetables like tomatoes because they tend to make your pizza soggy when you are ready for them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope to see you all in the next one. This was a very fun video. I hope you all could try it as well. Your little brothers or sisters could try this along with you. Bye. I'll take this. Oh, I was squeezing. Anything else on top on it? Little bloopers. Stop. Stop making it.
Push it in.
I hope you guys enjoy this video. What was I saying? I hope you guys enjoy this video.